is 7 National News, and in our top story, the UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, His Highness Dr. Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Kazmi, the ruler of Sharjah, and His Highness Sheikh Humaid bin Rashid Al Nuaimi, the ruler of Ajman, have ordered the release of a number of prisoners on the occasion of Eid Al Adha. The UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa, pardoned 442 prisoners on the occasion, who had been sentenced to jail terms in various cases. His Highness also pledged to settle the financial obligations of the released prisoners and expressed his intent to give them a chance to start a new life with their families. On a similar note, the ruler of Sharjah ordered the release of 130 prisoners of different nationalities before Eid Al Adha, who have already served half of their jail terms in correctional and punitive institutions, who also met with the terms of amnesty. On the occasion, the ruler of Ajman also pardoned 110 prisoners in order to alleviate the suffering of their families. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, has ordered the promotion of 4,521 Abu Dhabi police officers and personnel. According to news agency WAM, these include 1,857 officers, 2,412 non-commissioned officers, and 252 civil servants. Major General Mohammed Khalfan Al-Rumaythi, the Commander General of Abu Dhabi Police, expressed his gratitude to the UAE President and Crown Prince for the gesture, and also said that it underlined the leadership's commitment to provide every possible means to further enhance the security, stability and protection of the community. And continuing with Abu Dhabi, the police have launched a new initiative under the slogan "We are all police" that allows the public to serve as community police officers. The police force has said that the new program is open to both emiratis and expats and is aimed at enhancing public security. Major General Mohammed Khalfan Al-Rumaythi, the Commander General of Abu Dhabi Police, was quoted saying that the initiative looks to make the community aware of their social responsibility and to also work with the government. Those willing to volunteer can register online and will be provided with full training. Abu Dhabi Police have also said that by 2021, the aim is to have more than 47,500 officers, and the We Are All Police community support officers representing one officer for every 58 people. The Sheikh Zayed Housing Program has approved 345.5 million dirhams in housing loans and grants for 554 eligible Emirati nationals. It was announced that the amount approved by the Board of Directors of the Zayed Housing Program covers 56 residential housing grants and 476 housing loans. According to officials, the approval is in line with the directives of the UAE President, His Highness Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, and is being followed up by His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Presidential Affairs. The new initiative, according to the Board of Directors, is aimed at providing decent living conditions for nationals and proves once again that the UAE leadership is keen on providing social and family stability to Emiratis across the country. The Dubai Health Authority has announced the working hours for all DHA hospitals, DHA administration, primary health centres and medical fitness centres during the Eid Al Adha holidays. According to the authority, hospitals and health centres will work as per shift timings, and medical practitioners will be on call to ensure that work continues as usual. The emergency departments of all of these hospitals will be functional round the clock on all days. All clinics at Dubai Hospital, Rashid Hospital and Latifa Hospital will remain closed from the 11th to the 15th of September, while Latifa Hospital's paediatric walk-in clinics will operate as usual during weekends and public holidays. Clinics at Hatta Hospital will be open from 7:30 a.m. and 9 p.m. during the Eid break. Timings of primary healthcare centres, including Nad Al Hamar and Al Barsha health centres, will function 24 hours on all days. And Al Lusaili Health Centre will be closed from the 11th to the 13th and will then open on the 14th and 15th from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. All other PHCs will be closed from the 11th to the 16th of September. As for medical fitness centres, they will remain closed during the public sector Eid holidays, and the Al Masena Health Centre will be open on the 11th and the 15th from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Additionally, the Dubai Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Centre, the Thalassemia Centre and the Dubai Diabetes Centre will all remain closed, and customers can call the DHA hotline number for more information. Khalifa University has jumped ahead of the United Arab Emirates University in the latest QS World University Rankings for the year 2016 to 17. The 13th edition of the rankings confirmed Khalifa University as the nation's highest ranked institution. According to the rankings, Khalifa University enjoyed a substantial jump to be placed in the 401 to 410 band, while the United Arab Emirates University finished in the 411 to 420 band. Other key highlights for the UAE in the top 500 university rankings included the American University of Sharjah, which took a fall from the 411 to 420 band to the 441 to 450 band, while a total of 6 other Emirati universities also found their place in the world rankings. Although the rankings indicated that the UAE is the leader in the Middle East for internationalization, they also revealed that Emirati universities scored less well for both employability and research. The world rankings this year confirmed the US-based Massachusetts Institute of Technology as the world's best university for a 5th consecutive year, followed by Stanford University and then the University of Cambridge in the top 3 positions. And finally, a unique and innovative art project by Vikram Devicha is showcasing at Tashkeel Art Organisation in Dubai from the 7th of September to the 13th of October. Entitled Portrait Sessions, the project questions positions of value through the context of time and money. The painting project was initiated on the 26th of July and will be completed on the final day of the exhibition, which is the 13th of October. Devicha has invited a spectrum of self-identified non-professional painters to become the artist and to paint his portrait. The duration of each portrait session is determined by how much time 150 dirhams can buy according to each artist's professional rate. Providing participants with a 65 by 50 centimetre printed canvas paper, acrylic paints, brushes and all other necessary supplies from Tashkeel's art store. Devicha will be the only model during the sessions. The collection of portraits are to be considered as one piece of artwork and will be exhibited without attribution to the artists who have signed a contract to work on the project.
When people come here, there are a few things, few questions that I hope to evoke. One is about value and a relationship with time and money, especially considering how Dubai is such an impatient economy and all of us have to be involved in its operations and commerce. And all of these people I've invited are working in the UAE, either they're businessmen, either they're employees or they're freelancers, but they all are implicated in this place. And you have to be involved in the UAE financially to keep yourself going out here. Besides that, I'm also interested in alternative aesthetics. Over here, I've invited non-painters and I've exhibited their work, beautifully framed within the gallery context. And I'm interested in how can we think about art and engagement with art from a different perspective. Tashkeel also is a studio which invites people to make art. And those ideas are reflected out here. And eventually it's also about, I was thinking about the idea about the selfie today, what does selfie mean? What does vanity mean? And there is also that layer. In fact, this is the first time I'm seeing all the work put together. I saw it a bit yesterday. And there is, of course, a layer of vanity, which we all exercise today through different media channels. And over here, maybe I have hijacked, gallery.